Let me show you a gospel progression that you have to have. It comes up so often that if you play it enough and you recognize it, you'll hear it. And when you hear it all the time, you won't have to learn the song from scratch. You'll go right to it. It's either the whole song is there or parts of a song. All right, I like to call it 8 down, because if in the scale there's 8 notes of the scale: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What it does, it starts from 8 and walks down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. It's all over the place, all right? And what you do is you put, and I'm going to show you some examples of it in songs. You'll be surprised, all right? If I'm in D flat, you start with your 1 chord, which is D flat. Then you go to your 5 chord with alternate bass, which is A flat, C, E flat. Your 6 chord, which is minor 7th, B flat minor 7th in this case, A flat, D flat, F. Then your 5 chord again, which is A flat, C, E flat. Sometimes it'll be minor 7th, minor 7th there. Sometimes it'll be the F sharp, B and E flat. And in your 4 chord, sometimes it's a major, sometimes it's a major 7th, but either way it's an F sharp chord. Then your 1 chord, let's see, with alternate bass, F, A flat, D flat. Your 2 chord, which is a minor 7th, E flat, F sharp, B flat, D flat, and then to 5. Sometimes when you get to 2, your bass will walk up to 5. But 2 and 5 are the same chord. Alright, sometimes your 5 chord would just be major. Alright, so it ends up being. You ought to memorize it and listen to it a lot, because it'll come up over like this. So if I take that, I'll say, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work. When I came up to 5, I used both 5 chords. What he said he would do, he would stand by his word. He will come through. Or I could say J-E-S-U-S, J-E-S-U-S, J-E-S-U-S. Same thing again. No weapon, Jesus, J-E-S-U-S. I could say something about the name Jesus. Something about the name Jesus. It is the sweetest name I know. Same exact thing, right? Or remember Timothy Wright had a song, I'll Be a Witness? I'll be a witness. I'll be a witness. I'll be a witness. I'm a witness. Let's say, alright, how about this? Sometimes you have to encourage. Now that time it just went straight to 2. Yourself. Right? Alright, how about this? Father, help your children. Don't let them fall by the side of the road. It's just, you can do that all day. Jesus is the answer for the world today. Above him there's no other. Jesus is the way. Jesus is the answer for the world today. Jesus is the way. All right. Sometimes it's just a part of songs, right? Sometimes it's like, that Jesus is the light that shineth to me. I know that Jesus, 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 He'll show up, He'll show up, He'll show up, He'll show up, He'll rise up, right? He's the greatest friend of all. Have you heard? He'll be your friend until the end. Have you heard? That time, instead of going to the 5, they go a cappella on the 5 and then back to the 1. Have you heard? It's worth learning. Memorize it. Play it a lot. Because if you play it a lot, it becomes ingrained. And then when you hear it, you'll hear it all over the place in a lot of different songs. That's why I thought it was very necessary for you to learn that. Learn it. If you hear it in some other songs, email me and let me know that you heard it. Because you're going to hear it all over the place. All right. Learn that. Be a blessing to your church.